This is where the trip is starting. We're in Chester, and we're going to put off on a little tributary of the Mississippi where the telephone pole is, the ramp to launch boats normally is. So it's flooded, but the people here are the first real positive people we've had who said no problem. Just keep your heads, don't do anything stupid, have a good journey.
I remember wondering if we'd ever wear this life jacket as we traveled towards the Mississippi River. The high water caused problems getting our fixed top raft under a low bridge. But as a crew, we worked together and got through. We met our first challenge on the water. We continued with high spirits toward the Mississippi. As we neared the Mississippi River, the guys worked me for wearing my life jacket so soon. But their attitude soon changed as our raft hit the Mississippi River. No planning can prepare you for the power of the mighty Mississippi River. That was just the beginning of our reality check. We assumed there would be docking space all along the river, but they were all covered by the flood. Sun was going down on our first day of the river, and we could find no place to dock except deserted islands and a tree-lined shore. Thank the Lord for our motorhome crew that decided to stay behind. Using our 5-pound cell phone, they guided us to a single ladder on the Cape Girardeau wall that protects the town from the flooded Mississippi. We learned the power of the river as Kerr overran the ladder by 3 feet. It took all 50 horses of the Honda motor to simply go 3 feet backwards. That's the power of the river. I remember reading that the Mississippi River is like Lake Erie coming at you 8 miles an hour. Climbing up the ladder and over the wall, we walked the short distance to downtown Cape Girardeau and met our motorhome crew and the unofficial mayor of Cape Girardeau. This cross has been with me since our journey. It was given to me by my wife-to-be at the start of the christening. The chain had to be repaired due to me tugging on it so much because of what happened on the second night of our journey. The second day started out quite normal. We were on the river by 8 a.m. It was a cool mist, a little cooler than we'd thought. In fact, we had to put a tarp up to protect whoever was driving the raft from the harsh west wind. Yet we made good time, and around 5 p.m. we pulled into New Madrid, Mississippi. The dock area was flooded and it was crowded with pipes of all types. So the sun was out, we were feeling good, we decided to try to make it to the next stop. Big mistake. We ended up on the river at night. We went from being in a tense situation to a dangerous situation. For the river is filled with debris, and the key person besides the person driving the boat is the person who's in the lookout position. Sometimes there's actually trees coming down the river. We used our flashlights to try to see our way. We narrowly missed getting hit by a big barge. Then a wonderful sight appeared. It was a Mississippi River gambling boat. We were able to reach the captain with our walkie-talkies, and in his smooth southern voice, he said, "I really appreciate the adventurism and the daring you boys have, but you're not too smart. To be on the river at night is absolutely dangerous." He was then kind enough to guide us to the next port. We wake up from our sleeping positions on the raft, thankful to see "Welcome to Carruthersville," the same sign that we saw by